Hi guys, it's Dennis Wakabayashi, and as you know, every week I try to bring you something interesting that I found in the world of customer experience. Today we'll be talking about ownership experience. I found a really interesting company called Registria that's doing something that almost no one else is doing, so let's talk about it. All right, Registria. Here's the idea of ownership experience. Durable goods want to connect with their customers. In the old-fashioned days, we used to use paper. You'd fill out a registration card, send it in the mail. It would get collected by the manufacturer, and maybe there'd be some warranty information there. But that experience can be so much more than what it is now. Registria has an app that connects the durable goods manufacturers directly to their customers through a registration. It helps customers sort of keep track of an inventory of all their durable goods, what they're registered for, when their warranties expire, gives them access to videos. If you've ever tried to do a quick fix on a washing machine, and trust me, I have, it really helps to have videos and part numbers from the manufacturer rather than sorting through YouTube videos. So that said, I think as we look at 2021, companies like Registria, who can bring the durable goods market together with customers, are going to be a powerful new tool in the toolbox of customer experience. I think it's also beneficial for the retailers who'd like to understand what the relationship that durable goods manufacturers have within a particular geography. It influences a lot of the ways that they might market or invest in retail experiences. And ultimately users, I think as we move towards 5G and the Internet of Things, the goods and the people have to come together. So it's for that reason I think that Registria is a pretty cool new little invention. And I'll leave links in the description below for you to find out more about them. And have a great day.